to Nana's Hidden Apron. Today, we're going to have fried salmon patties for supper. I went ahead and got some of this chicken of the sea pink salmon. There's 5 ounces in it. And so I thought I'd go ahead and use that and give it a try. Because it's only me and Tom. Kids are all grown and gone. Yeah. So with that, we're going to add 1 egg. A couple twists of the pink Himalayan salt. 1 teaspoon of chopped chives. And 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Now, if you would rather use the almond flour, that's fine too. But I just prefer this when it comes to frying stuff. And we are going to actually fry it in skillet over here. I've already got it warming in some coconut oil. I don't know if you're familiar with coconut oil, but you know, when you open it up, it looks like that. So it's okay. If you open it and it looks like that, that's fine. It's supposed to. You just put it in your skillet and let it start melting. And I think I put like half a cup in there. Because things tend to really, sorry about that, with my hands off. The coconut oil soaks in pretty good to anything that you're using it with. So, and here is the finished product. I've already got it all mixed up. And I'm going to take it, as usual, with my hands and scoop some out and get us some little patties going here. Thinking we're going to have enough for lunch tomorrow, too. So that'll be a good thing. Tom's applauding. He appreciates the leftovers for lunch at work. But you don't have to make them real big. You can make them any size you want to, but I think this is sufficient. But I like to buy the little pouches like that. A friend of mine, thank you Michelle, told me about these a long time ago. And you know, you don't have to worry about deboning and all that stuff. So look at that. It smells really good. I mean, it's salmon. So hopefully they'll turn out good. But these are actually keto. Once again, with the keto thing, right? Now don't be getting all rowdy back there. It's popping around on me. Might have to turn my burner down just a little bit. Or maybe Tom will run over here and turn it down for me just a little bit. Thank you. Nothing like having stuff pop out and scald you, huh? Right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these patted out. And get our little patties going here. Get them over here in the skillet. Get some video here in just a minute of the skillet. So take a look at what it looks like when I get it filled up here. Okay? So I'll see y'all in a minute. It's okay. If it breaks apart, you can just squish it right back together. I don't make these, often, as you can tell. I think I've only made them a couple times since Tom and I have been married, which has been several years now. My mama used to make these all the time, though. I always looked forward to it. She didn't have hers as thick as mine. She used to pat them out real thin. And she fried them in an iron skillet. So, there you go. And she didn't do it keto. Believe me. She put crackers in it and onion in it and just all kinds of stuff that she would. And it tastes so good. Although they were super thin, they were quite filling. Clean up my mess. Now these will be done in a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and get us some mixed vegetables together and have those ready so that we can, I think someone down here kind of likes, that's Brinkley.
Hello, my dear.
He thinks he's helping in here when all he's actually doing is sitting in my way, but the little guy loves our food. He loves to eat keto too, what can I say? You good boy, mister? Can I get you boo-boo? Boo-boo. Thank you. He's silly. Okay. I'll get these finished up, get our veggies together, get this all plated, then I'll be right back with you. All right. Welcome back. There's supper. I know a lot of people don't consider carrots as keto. We like to have them like once every 2 weeks, just because of the vitamins that's in those. So, look at there. Ooh, steaming hot. Smells great. Now I'm going to get my taste tester over here. I have a second plate, but mine kind of crumbled a little bit on me, so. But let's give this a try.
Very good.
Very good. Okay. Well, that's another supper down. Thank you all for joining us. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And you can check out our Facebook page. It's actually called Handcrafted By. It has several pictures and recipes on it of the cakes and a lot of keto foods and prior to keto that we have cooked. So until tomorrow, you all have a good afternoon and evening, and we'll see you then.